All right, good afternoon. Happy May the 20th in the afternoon. I hope you had a fantastic day. We had a wonderful day. One of those crazy days where you make 70 ES points trading ES MES contracts. 70 ES point trading MES contracts. I prefer MES because I can scale out and it's easy to add without having to do the larger ES contracts. So that's why it's called Micro Trader. That's what I prefer to trade. So here are my results this morning, or actually today. So this was in 5 accounts. I traded larger, as you can see by the P&L here, than this set of 5 contracts that I traded smaller. And this account I added, and today was just fantastic with $31 in drawdown, $15 in drawdown. Max run up was 629 bucks. I captured 607 of it. And when you multiply this times 5 accounts and that 5 accounts, it makes you want to party. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Boom, boom. That's right. It's worthy of partying. All right. So let's get into it a little bit more. So first of all, I want you to notice my longest trade was 14 hours. Yeah, we'll talk about that briefly. And then my big trade was 4 hours today, which is not really the standard, but it is what it is. So overnight, what I did is I went short here. Actually, I went short here, small, stayed in it, stayed in it, stayed in it. Went a little against me, vomited down, and took my profit. Then the market opened. We shot straight up, and I will not pretend I was in that because I was not. So let me zoom in here. So this thing went up like a vengeance. You're expecting it to target the all-time high, and I actually had a level and went short here, took contracts off, and I stayed short 1 contract. And the reason why I did that is because I didn't want to enter another trade. I told the traders, I'm fine if we come up here and grab the all-time high. If we ladder above that, I'm out. I'm up so nicely, I can afford to just stay into this one little contract and let things work out. And then as we're basing out, we're calling, hey, this could be a reversal box day. And it certainly turned out to be that. So at 10:56 Central Time, I made this post in the group when we were way up here, and I drew out this trade. And you can see the same arrow there as here, and that's exactly what we got. And so I stayed in this short here, and when we vomited here and came back, matching this, I added contracts here. Now, I would have actually been in larger size had we came all the way back up to this, but it didn't actually happen. Pushed in, and then this vomit, and I'm taking off contracts, boom, and just did fantastic. Now, when this thing vomited here and finished out this prediction, for lack of a better word, but it's a reversal box, and we understand how ES behaves, and it performs very predictably, and that's why ES is so awesome to trade. It's very exacting and predictable, in my humble opinion. So after we added here and got out here, I told the group shorts are over. We are now looking for longs. Switched to a 30-second chart, and many of us went long here between 27 and 29 and had a nice ride there. Tried to stay in to see if we could get back up here to pocket 44, but the bulls just couldn't get it done, which is a little surprising, and perhaps is that a little writing on the wall, because NQ went up and got its all-time high and cleared it, actually, and we did not. And in fact, the bulls couldn't buy it back up here. I'm surprised we didn't make it back to POC. That was my goal here. In fact, one of my traders, I was helping him stay in the trade, and he had 8 contracts, and we took them off, and I made him keep 1 back here at 20. He actually went long at 27. And I told him, I said, either make it get you out at 27 or get out at 44 if it gets back to POC, just for the discipline of staying in the trade and not getting shaken out. When you have a great trade location, you try to stay with it. And that's what I felt here. I thought I can't say I had a great trade location, but I was fine with it, knowing that the biggest magnet was not that far away. I was totally fine with it. And added to a winning trade, and did very nice. So I hope you stayed safe and had a great day too. I'll see you guys tomorrow for the AM briefing.
Stay green, my friends, and to learn more about our group, go to microstrader.com.